na marami pang parating. Kaya nga ako nakikipag-ugnayan ng husto sa
Oo.
kanila para talaga ituloy-tuloy yung
Yeah.
investigation.
Oo. Pero Mayor, when we say file a case, it means parang ang contractor na to nasampahan na ng kaso, ang mga taong to nasampahan ng kaso. And the only reason I want this clarified, because the last report I read was the DOJ is still doing case build-up on a list of individuals. So parang it seemed na wala pa talagang kasong nasampa. Meron na ba talaga, sir?
Meron yung SunWest sa Nauhan. Tapos alam mo
Okay.
marami pang testing na ginawa ang kwan doon. Nakiusap nga ako kay Secretary Vince na sabi ko, Sec Vince, pagkatiwalaan mo yung Bureau of Standards mo, I believe they're not at all involved. Tulungan, pagkatiwalaan mo sila and let them go out in the field and do their testing. Kasi sila makakatulong sa akin. We cannot simply rely on the private sector. Kasi konti lang itong mga to. Magtulungan lahat. Sabi niya, okay, sige, sige. Alam mo, dun sa Mindoro, kay Bondoro Oriental, hindi lang yung nauhan yun eh. Ang
Oh,
dami nung ano yun eh. Ang
oh,
daming projects doon eh. Baka siguro kung isang dosena doon, napakarami kalokohan doon.
oo. And SunWest yun. SunWest yun.
Hindi lang, iba-ibang kumpanya,
Oo.
iba-ibang contractors.
Wow.
Nakakagulat nga ako na the same, yung mga visible na contractors na nakita natin, top 15, top 30, top 50, they're all over the place eh. All over
Yes.
the
Oo.
Philippines talagang
Oo.
pinagkakitaan talaga eh. Favorite
Yeah,
contract.
it's collusion. It's collusion eh. Ang nangyari, it's really naging sindikato ang gobyerno for lack of a better phrase, right?
Highly
Oo.
organized crime.
Right? Oh, highly organized crime na. Now, I want to ask you this. Zaldico was the founder of SunWest. Now, you have a congressman saying, of course, defending him, he's divested. And we know what divestment means in government, right? So he's divested. But who answers for SunWest? Like, for example, nung nag-imbestiga kayo sa Nauhan, ideally, dapat may tinatawag kayo from SunWest. Tinanong nyo.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes. So,
sino po yun, sir? Presidente? Sino?
meron nag-take over pero kunwari na lang yun.
Oh, anong sagot po niya?
Kunwari na lang yun.
Oo.
Ay,
Pero
siya-
bakit daw ganun ang steel sheets? Tinanong nyo yon. Kasi di ba yung steel sheets, natuklasan nyo na ang
Sheet pile,
iksi-iksi.
sheet pile,
Sheet pile. Was it supposed to be 12 meters?
May mga cases na sinasabi pa nga doon sa Pampanga, 30 meters.
Oh.
Pero nung tinanong ko yung mga experts, sir, imposibleng pwedeng
Yeah.
mag-embed ng 30 meters. That
Yeah.
is very impossible. Mga ganun.
So what did SunWest say? What was the explanation?
Wala, tahimik lang sila.
Wow.
Tahimik sila. Kaya nga ang pinakamagandang ebidensya talaga doon yung technical report
Yeah.
na substandards talaga siya.
Yeah.
At ganun, consistent, very consistent sila pagdating sa substandard.